फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले. वेलकम स्टुडंट्स. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी SSC Standard 9 Maths Part 1, that means Algebras, 7th chapter Statistics. From that chapter, today we are going to study that last point, that is measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency, the tendencies are mean, median and mode. So three tendencies are there, central tendencies, यानी तीन चीज़ें हमें मेजर करना है. mean, to find the mean of the data, then median and mode of the data, given data. So this is called central tendency. So let us see what is meant by central tendency, and then one by one this mean, median and mode. So here first one, what is the central tendency? If the data is collected in a survey of a group is sufficiently large, yani if the large data is collected, then it generally shows a peculiar property. The numbers in the data tends to cluster around a some number, means that numbers is repeating in that data again and again, means maximum times that number is repeating, and that is called central tendency of that group. So there are three types of that central tendency. First one is mean, second one is median, and third one is mode. So let us see first one, mean. So how to find the mean, the definition of mean and method of finding the mean, that we have to study here. So mean means the arithmetic average, addition of all number divided by total number, इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग average. The arithmetic average of all observations. So we can write the definition. The arithmetical average of all observations or scores is called mean of that data. तो ये हो गया उसका सिंपली डेफिनेशन, मीन ऑफ द डेटा. उसका फॉर्मूला हम लोग लिख सकते हैं मीन के लिए. मीन इक्वल्स सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशंस और स्कोर्स, सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशंस यानी स्कोर्स इन द डेटा डिवाइडेड बाय number of observations divided by number of observations. So this is the formula to find the mean. Now next one is the median. Next central tendency is median. So if we arrange the data in ascending order or descending order, so here ascending order, if the scores are arranged in ascending or descending order, the number appearing exactly at the middle, the number which is at the middle is called the median of that data. So median का हम लोग definition लिख सकते हैं. If the scores are arranged in ascending order या descending, हम लोग ascending लेते हैं यहाँ पे, in ascending order, then the exactly middle term is called median of the data. If even numbers are there, even number of scores are there, अगर नंबर ऑफ स्कोर इवन है तो इसमें डायरेक्ट मिडल नहीं मिलेगा. then the average of two middle terms जो मिडल में दो टर्म्स आएगा, मिडल टर्म्स इज द मीडियन। एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे तो आप लोग को पता चल जाएगा। सो हियर median means if the scores are arranged in the ascending or descending order, then the exactly middle term is called the median, and if these are even numbers, means scores are even, then the average of middle two terms is called the median. उसके एग्जाम्पल्स हम लोग प्रैक्टिस सेट में देखने वाले हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज द मोड। सो मोड मीन्स the score having highest frequency, yeah, the score which is repeated maximum time, the score which is repeated maximum time is called mode of that data. Is called mode of that data. Let us see question number 1 from practice set 7.5. Yield of soybean per acre in quintal in Mukund's field for 7 years was 10,753,969. Find the mean of the yield. So first write the observations. हम लोग ऑब्जर्वेशन लिख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे डेटा जो दिया है वो डेटा क्या है, 10,753 गिवन डेटा, उसको डेटा बोलते हैं, उसको लिख लेते हैं पहले। द गिवन डेटा इज 10,753 then 969. This is the yield of soybean in last 7 years. Then find the mean. So here the formula for mean is, mean का formula लिखो पहले, mean equals sum of all observations divided by number of observations. ये हो गया फॉर्मूला। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू 10 + 7 + 5 + 3 + 9 + 6 + 9 divided by this, how many number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 7 years यानी 7। तो इसका एडिशन करो अभी। 10 + 7 17, 17 + 5 is 22, 22 + 3 is 25, 25 + 9 is 25 + 9 34 + 6 40, 40 + 9 is 49 divided by the 7. So 7 7s are 49. So mean equals 7. So mean production of yield यानी एवरेज हर ईयर कितना आया है, 7 क्विंटल। सो 7 क्विंटल, दिस इज इन क्विंटल। So in this way easily we can find the mean in question number 1. Now let us see question number 2 from practice set 7.5. Find the median of the observations. First write the observations here. We have to find the median. 5975, here observations are which 59 75 68, 59 75 68, then 70 74 75, 70 74 75, and last one is 80. So while finding the median, write the data in ascending order. So write in ascending order. Ascending means सबसे छोटा पहले आएगा, उसके बाद बड़ा, फिर बड़ा। So smallest one is 59, उसके बाद आएगा 68, फिर 70, फिर 74, देन 75, 75 दो बार है, एंड 80. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 numbers are there. तो ये odd number रहेगा तो आपको easily, middle one is this one. So here the middle term is 74, and therefore median is equal to 74. And what is that 74? These are nothing is given, so median is 74. So in this way, if odd numbers are there, easily we get that median. Let us see question number 3 from practice set 7.5. The marks out of 100 obtained by 7 students in mathematics examination are given. Find the mode of this marks. So here the marks are given. Marks, these are 99, 100, 95, 99, 100, 95, 100, 100, 100, 100, 60 and 90. Now first 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, here 1 2 3 4, so 7 students are there. So write the data in ascending order first in both median and mode. Ascending order is, ascending order में सबसे पहले आएगा 60, उसके बाद 90, उसके बाद 95, उसके बाद 99 and 100, 100, 100. So which number is repeated maximum time? So here 100 is repeated maximum times, and therefore mode of data is 100 marks. इसका mode आएगा 100 marks. So in this way easily we can find the mode. Let us see question number 4 from practice set 7.5. So here the monthly salaries in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. From the above data find the mean of monthly salary. तो इनका हमें monthly salary का average चाहिए. So here monthly salaries are, वो लिख लेते हैं पहले. So here find the mean of all the salaries. We have to find the mean. So mean equals, write the formula for mean. Mean equals sum of all observations divided by, ये फॉर्मूला है, नंबर ऑफ observations. So sum of all observations, you can write all here, but no need to write directly. You can write the sum. How? 1000, 1000, 1000 all are there. So write, add these numbers. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 9 32, 32 plus 7 39, 39 plus 3 42, 42 plus 3 ये 6 हो गया 48, 48 plus 3 51, 51 plus 5 56, 60, 64, 64 और 5 69, 69 plus 6 75, 75 plus 7 82, 82 plus 4 86 plus 3 89, 89 plus 3 92, 92 plus 4 92 plus 4 96, 96 plus 7 103, 103 plus 6 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 5 28, 28 plus 6 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 5 43 plus 4 47, यानी 147, that is the sum. और ये 3 0 1 2 3, and total number of observations are 30. So this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. So here 3 4s are 12, then 27, 3 9s are 27 or 2 0. So average is 4, mean is 4900. So this is one of the method. और आप लोग फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल करके भी इसको कर सकते हो. इन फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल जो फ्रीक्वेंसी रहेगा यूजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल, इसको कैसे करना है? यूजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. So summation of all frequencies, that sum of all frequencies is again this one, n a number of observations, n is equal to 30, or sum of all frequencies is this one. So mean equals summation of f divided by n. ये जो फॉर्मूला है ये यूज करके भी आप लोग निकाल सकते हो. Let us see question number 5 from practice set 7.5. In a basket there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each of these tomatoes in gram is given as below: 60, 70. So write the weight first. 60, 70. These are the weight of the tomatoes: 60, 70, 90. 60, 70, 90 grams. Then next one is 95, 50, 65. 95, 50, 65. 70, 80. And 85, 95. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tomatoes are there and their average weights, their weights are given. We have to find the median of weight. तो median के लिए ascending order में लिखते पहले. Write the given scores in ascending order. तो ascending order में सबसे छोटा पहले आएगा. सबसे छोटा कौन सा इसमें देखो? 50. उसके बाद 60, 65, then 70 2 times, 70, 70. उसके बाद 80, then 85, then 90, 95. देखो 1 2 times 95 है, 95 and 95. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in this way write the given data in ascending order. Now find the middle two terms. ये कितना नंबर्स है? 10 नंबर्स. तो ये बाजू का 4 छोड़ दिया मैं, 1 2 3 4. ये बाजू का 4 छोड़ दिया, 1 2 3 4. So these are two middle terms. So two middle terms are 70 and 80, and therefore median is average of this means 70 plus 80 divided by 2. So this is 150 divided by 2. We get question number 5. If even numbers are there, write the data in ascending order. ascending order में लिखने के बाद मिडल का दो टर्म देखो, ये 4 छोड़ दिया, ये 4 छोड़ दिया. सो दीज आर द टू मिडल टर्म्स. सो टू मिडल टर्म्स आर 70 80 एंड देयर एवरेज इज अ मीडियन. सो एवरेज निकालो उसका, वी गेट द मीडियन. लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.5. A hockey player has scored the following number of goal in 9 matches. Then write the scores first. क्या क्या स्कोर किया है वो लिख लेते हैं पहले. 5 4 0 2 2 scores. Score 5 4 0 2 2. 4 4 3 3. 4 4 3 3. Now in this example find the mean, median and mode of the data. तीनों हमें फाइंड करना है. सो मीन इक्वल्स, पहले मीन निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, मीन इक्वल्स सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस। तो इसका सम करो, 5 + 4 + 0 + 2 + 2 + 4 + 4 + 3 + 3 divided by how many matches are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 numbers are there. So here add all the number. 5 + 4 9, 9 + 0 9, 9 + 4 13, 13 + 4 17, 17 + 4 21, 21 + 6 27. So this sum is 27 divided by 9. So mean equals 3. So we get the first answer. Mean of the data is 3 goals. 3 goals. Now second one, we have to find median. Second is median. So write the data in ascending order. Ascending order 0, उसके बाद 2 2 3 3 4 1 2 3 times 4 4 4 4 and 5. So a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the data. So find the middle term. So middle term is how many? 9 numbers are there. तो 4 छोड़ दिया, 4 छोड़ दिया. This is the middle term. So middle term is 3 and therefore median is 3. So here we get the median. Or next one is mode. So maximum number is 4. So the number 4 is repeated maximum time, 3 बार रिपीट हुआ है and therefore mode of the data is 4. So in this way, in this sixth sum we get mean 3, median 3 and mode is 4. So friends, here this practice set 7.5 is completed. If you have any doubt in statistics in practice set 1 2 3 4 5 यानी 7.1 से लेके 7.5 तक, you can write in the comment box. And if you like the video and subscribe the channel and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.